When I created See the Light, my goal was to help people restore their glow from the inside out. Because we live in a world that's tired, run down, and nutrient starved. But at the end of the day, our Creator already provided everything that we need for healing and strength and radiance. And it's right here in nature. And See the Light's my way of bringing nature back. This isn't your typical vitamin C. You know, most supplements on the market use synthetic ascorbic acid, which your body does not fully recognize. And See the Light is different in the fact that it's 100% plant-based, made from whole food sources that work in harmony with your body, just the way that God designed it. Inside each of our capsules, you're gonna find organic Camu Camu, one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the earth. And it's amazing for immunity and even cellular repair. There's acerola cherry, which brings antioxidants and bioflavonoids. And next up, we have amla berry, and that supports heart health, balances your hormones, and keeps your nervous system calm and clear. And last but not least, the baobab fruit. And it adds a prebiotic fiber and minerals to help your body absorb nutrients more effectively and keep your gut strong. Together, these herbs deliver more than just vitamin C. They actually deliver vitality. So See the Light supports a strong, resilient immune system, radiant skin and natural collagen production, faster recovery and reduced inflammation, healthy iron absorption, improved energy and mental clarity. And because it's made from whole foods, it's gentle on your stomach and easily absorbed. Not to mention, no fillers, no binders, no synthetics, just 100% herbs. That's how we do things here at Restored Identity. We believe our bodies are temples, and they're designed to restore and to shine and to carry light. And See the Light is more than just a supplement. It's a daily reminder that when you nourish what the Most High has created, His light shines through you. So if you've been feeling depleted, you've got low energy, you're not absorbing iron correctly, and you're just ready to restore your natural glow, it's time to See the Light. So you can find it over at restoredidentity.com. Use code TAKE10, get 10% off and free shipping, and start giving your body what it truly recognizes, God's medicine straight from the earth.